Okay, I'm powering up the drone. Powering up the remote. I'm waiting for the Wi-Fi. Okay, Holy Stone is connected. Launching a feeler go. Calibrating the drone. Geomagnetic calibration first. Okay, that's done. I'm about ready to launch. It's working this time. All other flights in this place have failed. Well, let's see what happens. Altitude. Oh, there it goes. Not connected. Well, that disconnected, so. Well, now it's totally gone. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Well, let's lower the drone. Okay, now it's connected again. I feel it go indicates it's not connected. No, it disappeared again. Oh, bloody hell, I'll just make this another LOS flight.